Hey friends, if you're unable to play co-op with friends while playing Kings 2, then I'll help you with the resolutions. So the first solution is to whitelist the game in Firewall. Search for Firewall in the Windows search bar and open this option Firewall and Network Protection. Wait for it to load, and then you'll notice this option here, allow an app to through Firewall. So click on this and make sure that this application, the game app King 2, is enabled. Okay, the next solution is to flush the DNS, and for this, I'll help you. Search for command prompt in the Windows search bar and click on Run as Administrator in the right pane to open the elevated command prompt window. In the elevated command prompt window, type the command ipconfig space forward slash flush DNS and hit enter. It says successfully flushed the DNS resolver cache. This can fix the problem, but if it does not, then type the command ipconfig space forward slash release, hit enter, and then type ipconfig space forward slash renew, hit enter. So this should fix the problem for most of the users if it was with the network. But if it wasn't with the network, if it is with the game, then you can unfriend and befriend your friend once again, and you can create a new character with exactly the same difficulty as your friend and then play with your friend. After this, you can also check for the date and time on the system. So for this, right click on the start button and select settings from the menu. Go to the time and language tab on the list on the left hand side. Click on date and time. Make sure that the time zone is correct. Scroll down and click on sync now. This will solve your problem for sure. And if it did not, then let us know in the comment section below. If it did, then please subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.